EnterOne helps users become power users with role-based training. Create high-level, intuitive, and interactive visualizations with our PowerBI Report Builder course. In this 2-day course of live instruction with a certified trainer, you will learn to build reports containing visualizations from the more than 40 selections built into the PowerBI desktop application, and even add visualizations from the hundreds available online. This course dives into what's happening behind the scenes in a report, so you'll learn not only how to use these features, but also understand the why. Learn to deep dive into your data by building custom filters and slicers, hierarchies, and reports that can be repurposed to automatically adjust based on a person's role in the organization and their access to the data. Make your reports user-friendly with dynamic features, using the application as your presentation vehicle, bypassing the need for other presentation software. You have direct access to the data and can even drill into the data to answer questions on the fly during your meetings. We also take you to the cloud side to PowerBI Service. Here, you learn the process of linking your local data to cloud-based reports to build and share PowerBI reports and create PowerBI dashboards, extending the functionality and access of your reports. You can share the information and collaborate with the right people, giving them access to the right reports and display the right data for their specific needs. All of this while following Microsoft's no-code, low-code methodology, meaning you do not have to become a programmer to obtain all these skills. Our Power BI courses give you hands-on experience with live guidance from a certified trainer. Whether you take our courses online or in person, our trainers answer your specific questions and give you assistance when you need it. We offer a lab environment that keeps the course data separate from your company's production content, so you can feel secure when trying new things. After the class is over, we offer post-class resources, including a student manual and access to the exercise files so you can continue learning and practicing. Sign up for one of our open enrollment courses, or you and your coworkers may want to arrange for a private course that fits your schedule, or even on-site at your location. We teach classes in all time zones around the world. EnterOne helps users become power users with role-based training.